If you want access to one of the best SEO tools on the planet for a fraction of the cost, then I highly suggest you take full advantage of the Ahrefs trial. You'll get full access to the tool to execute all of my personal strategies below that are each designed to increase your search traffic. Once you're in, all you have to do is add a website to your account and make sure that you use a HTTP and HTTPS naming scheme. Next, Ahrefs is going to recommend some keywords to track that you already rank for. I suggest adding the first few pages of those suggestions to make sure that you're tracking the most important keywords. Then, based on those keywords, Ahrefs will automatically find your strongest competitors, which you should also add to be tracked. And last but not least, you should add branded keywords. These are typically variations of your name, business name, website name, and domain name, like you see here. Once you've set up your account, you're ready to start increasing your search engine traffic with one of my awesome Ahrefs strategies. Just check out my full blog post below and choose the strategy that is easiest for you to execute.